What's the meaning of air officer? Air officer. Air officer. Air officer. Air officer. Air officer.
Air officer refers to an officer in the armed forces who holds a high-ranking position and is responsible for overseeing the operations of aircraft and air forces. This position typically requires a great deal of expertise and experience in aviation and air combat, as well as leadership and strategic planning skills. Air officers may serve in various branches of the armed forces, including the Air Force, Navy, and Army. They are critical to the success of military operations involving air power, and play a key role in ensuring the safety and effectiveness of air missions.